six out. The rest of the team, only Daniel survives to go through to the chase. Final buck is caught with 36 seconds remaining. Now, could you have been there?
In the final level.
I love it.
Well done, Anna. Give it class, mate. You only spent half an hour up in Liverpool, you know who's going to do it. Oh, listen, every time it's going to win. I'm going high. I'm going high.
And here we go. For 59 grand, Adam, the chase is on.